Good day, MMM community. I'm Juvie, an ordinary MMM participant from Sorsogon, Philippines. Last November 13, 2015, I request to provide help amounting to 7,000 pesos under Mabro Mining Light 72 hours frozen. And on November 19, 2015, I was able to get an assistance amounting to 17,500 pesos from Mabro Mining Light, MMM Mining Light bonus, and video bonuses. So thank you to all the participants for providing me this amount, and to our founder, Sir Sergio Mabrodi, for sharing this mutual help system in the Philippines. Together we can change the world.